Hello everyone, so today we have Chica, okay, baby kitten, right? So we're going to make the airplane as I promised, yeah. So airplane like this with the brown one, yeah, chocolate, yeah, okay, alright. So you can use a piece of paper like this, yeah, from a book, but not recommended, yeah. Right, so you can use origami paper, okay. And then I usually teach this, yeah, origami in my kindergarten class, and used to sing a song, okay, like this. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when the skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Right? Okay. So you can actually use the sunshine, because airplane usually go to the sky, right? Okay. Okay, and then for the origami paper, okay, you need to cut the side, okay, because this one is rectangle, as you can see, rectangle. This one is square, right? Square. Okay, so we need to have a little bit part of this cut. Okay, so you can fold it inside, okay, just like before, yeah, inside, to make a triangle, yeah, pointed part, and then fold it like this, okay, right, and then it's a bit small, yeah. But it's okay, right? You can make it bigger later on, okay. And then tear this part, okay. Sometimes people don't tear it, yeah, just using like this, but I don't think it's strong enough, so my brothers and sisters usually told me to tear it, so it becomes like this, okay. There's a little pointed part like this, okay, and then fold it also, okay, right, and then we fold it again, and we fold the other part. So if you make the origami paper like this, it will be correct one, okay. And then you fold it a bit side like this, yes, fold inside, yeah, to make it like this, okay, right, and then we fly it like that, okay, right, good one. All right, so I'll see you in the next lesson. All right, thank you, bye bye.